Hey everybody, I am Andy, behind me is Ann, and you are watching winter running in Wisconsin. We are at Point Beach State Forest, just outside of the city of Two Rivers, and we are right along the shores of Lake Michigan. So we got the lake here. We're gonna run one of these directions, either that way or that way along the beach, and then come on back through the forest. Stick around with us on this run. It should be a lot of fun today, but it is cold today. We are freezing already. So we're gonna get running here. Hope you enjoy this run. See ya out on the trail. Whoa, it is cold. That wind is frigid. Wow. This is a very cold section here, out in the open, right along the lake. It's windy today. We're freezing our butts off. But I think not more than a half a mile and we turn and go into the woods, into the forest, and that should help us out a bit. So kind of block some of the wind once we get in to the forest. But right now, we're freezing. Really cold. All right, there's Ann. We're getting on that Ice Age trail, going into the forest. Hopefully gonna warm us up a bit. Okay, I will lead. All right, in the forest trail, gonna be a little bit nicer here. This is really cool actually, because you're on the beach and then immediately right next to it is this nice big pine forest. This is a really pretty trail. We're just kind of going up and down these really little rolling hills, and it's been a lot of fun. As you can see, Ann is way out in front of me, and I think she's having a good time too. But it is a pretty cold day today, so I think this is just going to be a short run for us. Okay, we are on our way back. I don't think we have too much further to go, to be honest. It's gonna be a nice little short run out here at Point Beach State Forest by Two Rivers. So we're gonna just enjoy, I don't know, I think like a half mile left. So we'll catch you when we get to the end of the run. All right. Okay everyone, we are back to where we started. That was running at Point Beach State Forest near Two Rivers. My name is Andy. Ann is back at the car already. This is winter running in Wisconsin. We're gonna be back with another video. We hope to see you then. Take it easy everybody. Bye-bye.